Hey there, business professionals, entrepreneurs, and aspiring thought leaders. Feeling invisible in your industry, like your hard work isn't getting noticed? You're hustling, putting in the work, but it's like you're shouting into a void. Trust me, I've been there. You know you need to build your personal brand, but you're drowning in to-dos, right? Emails, meetings, deadlines, it never ends. Well, I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be this hard. AI is your secret weapon. That's right, we're talking Gemini, ChatGPT, the whole 9 yards. We're about to unlock the power of AI to build a personal brand so strong, so you, that it cuts through the noise and gets you the recognition you deserve. Building a personal brand isn't about becoming someone you're not. It's about amplifying your strengths and values. AI can help us get there faster. The first step is to use AI to do a personality and values audit. Gather your emails, LinkedIn posts, anything reflecting your voice. Use AI to analyze your text and identify your traits and values. Let AI reveal the core of who you are. Uncover the best, most authentic version of yourself. Use this prompt. Analyze the following text and identify my dominant personality traits and core values. Provide insights into my communication style and what principles seem to guide my actions. Paste your text here. Now that we've got your core values, let's move to step 3, where you'll map out your skills and expertise. AI will be your secret weapon in this journey. Start by listing your key skills and experiences. Leverage AI to identify your strengths. Refine the AI's insights. Define your unique value proposition. Finish step 3 by using the following prompt. Based on the following professional experiences and accomplishments, identify my key skills and expertise. Highlight the areas where I demonstrate significant proficiency and unique value. Paste your experiences here. All right, we've explored your personality, values, and skills. Now, it's time for step 4. Let's focus on the people you aim to connect with. Your audience is the heartbeat of your personal brand. Audience research can be overwhelming. That's where AI comes to the rescue. Leverage AI tools to brainstorm relevant topics for your audience. Here's a prompt. I want to reach target audience descriptor. What are some relevant topics, interests, and challenges they might have? The AI will generate a list of potential topics. Use those insights to identify relevant keywords. Use this prompt. I want to reach target audience descriptor. What are some relevant topics, interests, and challenges they might have? All right, we've got your personality, your skills, and your audience figured out. You're ready for step 5. Now, let's bring it all together and craft a brand message that resonates. This is where storytelling comes in. Humans are hardwired for stories. They make your brand memorable, relatable, and impactful. And guess what? AI can help you craft stories that pack a punch. Start by compiling your professional milestones. Think about the pivotal moments in your career, the challenges you've overcome, the successes you've celebrated. Once you have your timeline, it's time to unleash the power of AI. Use a prompt like this. Based on my professional timeline and key achievements, generate different personal brand story narratives that resonate with my target audience. The AI will then generate multiple story narratives based on your input. Read through each narrative carefully and infuse your unique voice and personality into the stories. AI is a tool, but you are the storyteller. Remember, authenticity is key. Your brand's tone of voice is crucial for connecting with your audience. Gather some samples of your writing, whether it's emails, blog posts, or social media updates. Use an AI writing analysis tool to analyze the tone of your writing. All right, we've covered a lot of ground. We're ready for step 6, building your content strategy. You've got your brand story. Now it's time to get your content strategy in check. Content connects you with your audience and builds authority. AI makes creating engaging content easier. Understand what your audience wants with Voice of the Customer, a VOC analysis. Use AI to gather and analyze VOC data from the web. Identify pain points and themes to create content your audience craves. Create a content calendar and let AI help you stay organized. Look, building a powerful personal brand takes effort, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. With AI by your side, you can streamline the process, amplify your authenticity, and achieve your goals faster than ever before. Remember, your personal brand is your most valuable asset. It's your reputation, your network, your legacy. By leveraging the power of AI, you're not just building a brand, you're building a movement. So what are you waiting for? Start today and watch your career soar. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. And if you'd like a copy of the prompts, head over to our website at masteringmonetization.expert.